A path to making your dream come true is through learning, and Voctech bridges you to making that dream a reality.
Voctech aims to strengthen our student and labor force in and out of the country. With our state-of-the-art laboratories, the latest equipment, and our expert trainers, our hands-on training provides a significant experience to each of our learners. Through our partners, our students are able to show their skills that they have learned in school during their immersion. And this experience with our partners make them ready for employment. With Voctech's holistic approach, we are confident that indeed we are building our students' skills for a brighter future.
For me, a bright future is to become a successful IT professional that is able to bring pride and priceless smile on my family's faces, as well as to work in variety of areas that could help and made our lives more convenient. As the demand of global technology is uprising, Voctech ensures that they provide a healthy environment where it sums up the idea of nurturing the well-being of a whole person. Having a good mentor relationship creates a common ground where students can fully learn. Acquiring equipment has been a helping hand all throughout my education. Hands-on computer training has harnessed my knowledge that will undeniably make me become one step closer towards a bright future.
With 1890s moving on for progress, we welcome on board Voctech students and fresh graduates where they are assigned field and clerical work. Our team is open to more opportunities thanks to their quality outputs and professionalism. While we pave the way for the students' employment, Voctech in turn supports the professional development of 1890 employees and staff through relevant technical training and assessment. Given the career experience, the student skill set, and Voctech and 1890 valuable partnership, definitely, Voctech senior high school students are set to achieve a brighter future.
Seeing myself being productive, seeing my parents being proud of me is my definition of bright future. I'm grateful that I've been in Voctech because at Voctech I was able to showcase my talent. I was able to express myself. They helped me, they really encouraged me, and tungod ana, I was able to discover the best version of myself. Being financially unstable ug ikaw nangandoy nga makahuman sa imong pagskwela sa college, for me is a big factor nga makapugong jud siya sa akong pangandoy kay for myself I need to strive hard. I want to become a professional someday. With Voctech Academy, they help me ma-answer ang ako ang tubag sa akong problema. They gave me an opportunity in which they able to give me a part-time job with their partner company, which is the 8990 Housing Development Corporation. I am so proud to say nga naka-earn sad ko og sakto nga igo nga kwarta in which naka-provide sa para sa akong pag-eskwela. And today, I am now in college and currently working sa diri sa 8990. Voctech's vision in helping their student achieve a bright future is fulfilled in me. Daghang salamat, Voctech.
With skill set that will add value in making you not just ready for work, but globally competitive, Voctech is here to help you achieve a bright future.